32 kilometers of straight road across the sea or the ocean. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We have done the AdvenTrisMoto training yesterday. Such an amazing course, and once again I will leave all the links below. Today we are traveling to a little town called HOEK, and we're going to be going across, I would say, the ocean.
Out of the blue, you're in it too. I surrender.
You the most exciting road I've ever ridden on. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. 32 kilometers of straight road across the ocean. They're creating electricity for all those Teslas out there. We're back on the road. We are heading now to a town called Edda, and we're going to speak to a very exciting guy. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. So I've got my little tyre repair kit from Eastbound, the instructions for the beading. You just put them together, you just clip them in, and then you've got two tyre levers. You put that onto there, put that under your rim, the bottom one under your rim, and then you just put those together and you struggle a little bit. And you break the tyre bead, and then they just fit into these two pouches quite conveniently, and there you go. Pretty much that is your tyre repair kit, and to your spanners for your front and rear wheel. Eastbound, I'll leave all the links below. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. So we've come to Ben's house, and we're going to be going on the ferry over this little river, and we're going up to the HOEK. So that's Ben doing his usual morning dance. Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content. And Ben's just told me we're going up to the Delta Works. The one we're going to today is going to be the first Delta Works ever built in Holland. So the river, downtown, bridge, buildings, everything's extremely bigger. Trams in the center, you've got pedestrian crossing, cars on the outer side. About to arrive at the HOEK van HOLLAND, North Sea. Some nice beach huts on the sea. I don't think they can allow us to ride on the beach, but we'll see. So we're at Breezanddijk, the #1 restaurant on the beach. We're going to have a quick bite to eat. Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.